Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Boise area. Hey, I just have a quick tip. So hardwood floors, there are a lot of different things you can do to keep them looking nice. But the question that we get asked a lot is, can I use a steamer on my hardwood floors? So to answer that question, I would just give you an emphatic no. If you've heard the old adage, wood and water don't mix, that's definitely the case with steamers and hardwood floors, because basically you're injecting hot pressurized water into wood, which will at first make it look good, but after a while, once the water is absorbed by the wood and the moisture content, it'll cause your floor to buckle and act crazy. That's also the case for laminate woods as well. So I know that you sometimes see commercials online showing that. Please don't do it. It does not work well. I highly don't recommend it. So if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll definitely answer them. Thanks so much.